So this was a small little mini party that I did for about 5 girls. I had to have my husband and my son come because I just need a little extra muscle. So I like to bring them along and let my son learn how to kind of get into the business and start his little first job. It was super, super hot. You know, it's July, so the degrees are getting up there. It's getting hot. Need to do the bottom though.
I don't need this brush.
You're not really gonna see
Yeah, you're not ever gonna really see that one. I just had the girls decorate their own little cute jewelry boxes, and then afterwards I had them make their own custom jewelry. You can see here that the girls got to paint their jewelry boxes and they turned out super cute. So make sure to follow me over on Instagram at miss.eventplanner, or you can check out my blog at misseventplanner.com. Or if you're interested in starting your own business, I have my printables and all my business guides over on my Etsy shop. You can find the link in the description box. Thanks. See you again soon.